In this video, you'll learn how to use Gumroad to sell digital products step by step. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, your central hub for managing everything related to your products. At the top, find and click on the products option. This is where all your existing products live and where you'll create new ones. Click on the new product button to get started. Give your product a clear, compelling name that represents exactly what you're offering. Make sure to set it as a digital product, especially if you're selling ebooks, music, software, or other downloadable items. Then choose your currency and set a price that's fair, competitive, and appealing to your audience. Next, click on Customize. Here, write a detailed description that tells potential buyers exactly what your product offers and why it's worth their money. You can also create a custom URL to make sharing your product easier and more professional. To make your listing even more appealing, upload eye-catching images or videos as a cover. Strong visuals grab attention and increase trust. Add extra details like features, benefits, or even testimonials to give buyers more confidence. Once everything looks perfect, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to upload your actual content, like files or any instructions for your customers. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. Finally, click Publish and Continue. Your digital product is now live on Gumroad, ready to reach your audience and start generating sales. Congratulations, you're all set to share your creations and grow your online business.